back to another day of Vlogmas. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of my fun content. I'm sorry that I sound a little nasally. This week has just been filled with a lot of ups and downs, honestly. The weather has been very sporadic, so it's been raining and then sunny, but still cold. So my body is just getting acclimated. I'm not sick, I'm just like nasally. I also got my booster shot yesterday. I didn't film any of it just because it was a hectic portion of the day, but I got my booster shot and I already was told that most people will experience some type of symptoms, really just soreness and super tired. So I went to bed at like 10, exhausted. I woke up exhausted. I slept for 9 hours. I'm still so tired, but I just took it easy, took Tylenol, drank a lot of water, and like stretched, and I know it'll go away soon. Other than that, I feel fine. I'm gonna go for a walk. I need to go to the bank. I need to go to Trader Joe's again. I went to Trader Joe's and I got all this food, and I usually make a list, and I did make a list, and I forgot one of the most important things on the list for me, which was oatmeal, because I like eating oatmeal in the morning. And I was like, oh, I wrote that. It was like the first thing on my list and I somehow overlooked it. It's an excuse to go for a walk, and the bank is on the same route as Trader Joe's, so I'm looking at it from a positive lens instead of a negative one. And I think I'm gonna go to the gym. I feel like I'm on a gym grind, which I'm really happy about because I love working out, I love exercising, I love taking care of my body, and this is usually the time of year that it is the hardest to work out, especially because it is so cold. And I always walk in with like multiple layers, like 3 layers of like sweatshirts, I have sweatpants, I have my huge jacket, I have a beanie, a scarf. I need to get new gloves, but anyways, I just like am so bundled up for the gym. But I don't know, I just feel like I want to take advantage of this motivation, this newfound motivation I have to just stick with a good healthy routine. And I know I've already shot a few clips of me at the gym doing various things that I enjoy, so I know you guys have already seen that, so I won't do like a full-on here am I at the gym, here I am at the gym, but maybe a few clips here and there. But otherwise, it's really sunny right now in San Francisco, which is good. Again, it's still cold, but it is sunny, so I'm going to take that as a sign to get outside, take a walk. I'm going to listen to a podcast. I'm going to put on my Whoop band to track my steps and my strain. We're going to have a good day. I did some journaling already. I ate a little bit, just a little bit of snacks, just because in the morning I'm not hungry, so I don't really like eating a bunch of food in the morning when I'm not hungry. But after the gym, I know I'll be very hungry, so I'll actually eat a meal. So otherwise, thanks for being here, guys. Vlogmas has been going really well. I actually have enjoyed filming and doing all of these different videos. It's been a lot, but it's been fun, and I think it's taught me a lot about myself and my editing style, and also prioritizing certain things. And I think what this will be, I'm losing track of like how many days we're in Vlogmas, and I will try, I'm definitely gonna do it up until Christmas. We'll see how the rest of Vlogmas goes. I'm gonna try to do more like Christmassy things, but San Francisco is just getting like really quiet and a lot of people are going home. I'm not going home this year, so I will be in the city. So I will take you along with me and we'll figure something out. All right, on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, I just got back from the gym, so don't mind me looking sweaty and gross, but I had a good workout. It was about an hour. I'm trying to keep them around an hour because I feel like that's all I really need to do. I honestly forgot to film my walk prior to the gym. I went to Trader Joe's, or I went to Target, I went to Trader Joe's, then I went to Bank of America, and then I went to the gym. So I honestly forgot to film the walk, but honestly it was nice, again, just to be present. I'm trying to find the balance between, you know, vlogging for obviously the content, but also being mindful and like in the moment. So that's kind of been a little struggle for me recently. Anyways, I'm gonna take a shower soon, but I came home to a package and I was not expecting a package. I haven't ordered anything. I mean, it's cut off, but I'm pretty sure that says L'Oreal. It is. I, again, have no idea. I was not expecting anything. I didn't order anything, so it might just be a PR package. I don't know. Oh, La Roche Posay sent me a daily antioxidant serum with sunscreen, which is so sweet of them. I think I'm on their PR list, so that's cool. And they just sent me a nice little gift. So thank you so much, La Roche Posay. I feel like I have so much skincare. I kind of joke at this point and say I really don't need to buy any more skincare products because I get so much of that sent to me. That's the most stuff I get is skincare. Very thankful. I will definitely be using this. I feel like I need to do better with using products with sunscreen in them because I tend to just not. But now I have an excuse to use more sunscreen, as I always should be. So awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower, eat. I have barely eaten today, and work for the rest of the day. Listen to a podcast. I didn't even get to listen to the podcast I wanted to listen to walking, but I also like to listen to it in my room. It's just kind of like a vibe.